Today I'm going to make a shrimp stuffed avocado, which just so happens to be keto friendly. You're going to start up, you're going to need an avocado, some hand-peeled shrimp, which we got at the local fish store, green onions, celery sticks, and cucumber. I normally make this in the summer. We like to have this sometimes when we have people over for dinner as an appetizer before we have our dinner. But because I'm trying to do COVID, I thought, oh, that's got all the ingredients that I am allowed to eat. So some cucumber, English cucumber here. Just chop the pieces small, and you're going to add them to a little bowl. Have 2 green onions, and again just chop them small. I don't like big chunks of onion when I'm eating my salad, so and add them to the bowl with the cucumber. And then some celery. This is kind of the last little bit of the celery we had. And chop it small, just like the other ingredients. Add it to the bowl. And half a pound of hand-peeled shrimp. This little package of shrimp we got at the fish store cost us about $21. So this is not something that we eat a lot, but we just happened to be driving by and we thought, let's go to the fish store, and we got some nice yummy shrimp here. So just to mix all those ingredients together. And Hellmann's vegan mayo. You can use any Hellmann's mayo, it doesn't have to be vegan. And add as much mayonnaise as you like. I added about 2 heaping tablespoons of mayonnaise. Give it a big mix. And you're going to season it with some salt, an 1/8 teaspoon of salt or to taste, and an 1/8 teaspoon of pepper, and some dill weed, 1/4 teaspoon to 1/2 teaspoon of dill weed, and give that a really good stir. You're going to grab your avocado, you're going to slice it in half and remove the pit. We're really bad at buying avocados and then, have good intention of using them, and then before we know it, they're all brown. This one was pretty good. There was a few little brown spots in it that I scooped out with a spoon. But yeah, so just get rid of the little brown spots and then scoop the rest of the avocado into your shrimp mixture. Get too many spoons. Sort of mash that up a bit and then give it a good stir. And then you're going to fill up your avocado shell. Super simple recipe, and it's really classy. And when I've served it, people are so impressed. It looks really difficult, but it is not difficult, and it is so yummy. Just love it. So I just fill them up, and then I usually sprinkle it with a little bit of dillweed. And there you go. Wow, looks great.